All right, we're doing some washing dishes basics. Run those hands under the water, get that water warm, squeeze out that previous wash with that sponge squeeze. Yeah, squeeze. All right, get some of that soap, pour it on, and really just, dive into that coffee cup. Bring a good attitude. Super important. Maybe a podcast. Anything to really pass the time. A YouTube video. Make sure none of that soap stays on. You save more water doing it with a dishwasher, but Alright, let's speed through this. This is one of my favorite coffee cups. Get a little slow down right here of this pour. Oh, look at this. Oh, magic. Look at that coffee. Just leaving and getting cleaned. Have a nice day. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Zoom through this. It's good to be thorough when you clean. Get all that grease off. Gonna save the annoying pots for last, but look at this pro move, the multi-utensil clean. Really getting in there, the nooks and crannies. What a pro move. Killing multiple birds with one stone. I'm gonna keep sprinting through these. If you like some of these weird videos, subscribe to my channel and make me a millionaire. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Anyone guess what I was eating? Who knows? More soap. Saving those hands for last. Everything dry thoroughly. I don't use any paper towels, I just air dry, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video and learned a little bit about washing dishes basics. Thank you.